Hey, what is going on, YouTube? I hope you all are having an amazing day, amazing week. We're starting off this week in the crypto market, same as the usual last couple of weeks, or last couple of years, should I say. It's been quite bearish. Now, mind you, what we're witnessing right now is a normal market behavior. These slow phase that we're witnessing, low grinds to the downside, this is all part of market psychology. All right, and we won't get into that in today's video. What we'll get into is where algorithms, where major investors are waiting for Litecoin to go to before it starts launching. Now, as we know from yesterday's video and past videos, is that Litecoin is on a massive yearly accumulation zone. Sooner or later, this is gonna have to come to an end, and investors that have been accumulating for years and years are gonna want this to pop to the upside. All right, institutions, hedge investors, you name it. They've been, smart money has been accumulating, taking advantage of these slow markets, of these low prices. And sooner or later, once this accumulation phase ends, there's going to be a break above our $400 range, and we'll get into our longer term targets, which we discussed in yesterday's video, so I won't cover that. But today's video in specific, I want to cover where exactly is this major demand zone that everybody's waiting for, approximately where the bottom is. Now, I'm going to use our Fibonacci levels, and Fibonacci levels are strong, all right? If you look at previous history where I use these Fibonacci levels, they're not just random digits that I share with you. These are major pivot points where market could reverse, all right? They indicate possible reversal zones. Our major reversal zone could be at the 1.13 Fibonacci level. All right here at $44, which I don't really expect, because according to our Bitcoin analysis that I'm just uploading right now, I'm expecting a pullback in Bitcoin, which will of course affect all of crypto in general. Whatever Bitcoin does, the whole market follows. For that reason, Litecoin, our next support level takes us to our 1.618, 1.77, and our 1.188. These are major demand zones, and if price action comes to this level, this is where the algorithm is just going to snap. It's going to act quickly, buy these buy positions, because we won't be long down here. Similar to what we've seen back in 2018, it comes down, comes back up, comes down, recovers in less than a week. Similar to over here as well. So this level in specific, I expect quick market recovery, high volatility, and a recovery back to the upside. All right, so buy zones are down here at $19, give or take, to approximately $26. This would be considered a deep demand zone. Let me go ahead and write that. Actually, I'm just going to use colored boxes. So major demand zone, automatic buy on my radar. And this green range would be or blue, getting my colors mixed up. And this yellow range would be my dollar cost average. So every time we get a pullback, you just accumulate small bags, small positions. And then eventually, this is where big money is going to be made. Where is the arrow? I cannot find the arrow, you guys. Okay, yeah. So something like this, slow grind, and then a massive liquidity hunt, back for a recovery. and back into the accumulation zone, and then we start rallying further back up. Of course, it's not going to follow the same timeline that I'm showing you right now. If it does, oh, how nice would that be? All right, this looks very... I mean, I've seen these patterns play out many times, these type of fractals, and what it looks like, honestly, I mean, just looking at this, I mean, just looking at these cup patterns is what people call them. It looks like we're just gonna head down, right? That's what the market wants you all to think. But once it starts reversing, you're gonna wish you had bought at these levels. So this is a pretty self-explanatory analysis. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see in next Litecoin's video. With that being said, I'll see you all in the next video.